What's going on, sellers? Today I'm going to show you exactly what to do to rank on page 1 using Amazon's PPC. Make sure you stay tuned to the end. You're not going to want to miss this. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Ecom Dave, and for those who don't know me, I am a six-figure Amazon FBA seller and FBA coach. This channel is all about entrepreneurship and obviously Amazon FBA. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I'll get right to them. Okay, so this video is all about ranking, right? And we're going to focus more on ranking with Amazon's PPC on this video, right? Ranking with Amazon's pay-per-click system. So let's pick a product, right? We're gonna go with a swaddle blanket, right? It's just a random product, and this works with any products, right? So we're gonna go with swaddle blanket, right? So I search swaddle blanket on Amazon, and we're gonna find who the best sellers are, right? Who is ranking organically in page 1, and let's run our market intelligence and see how much money they're making, right? So we see this keyword is getting searched 51,000 times a month, right? This product has a lot of demand. And you see all the sellers down here are making a lot of money. Wow, this guy's doing $310,000 selling a swaddle blanket. Love to dream, right? Halo. So I'm guessing these guys are a very known brand for swaddle blanket. So let's see where Love to Dream is getting all the revenue from, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a little competitor spying and see exactly which keywords, right, this seller is showing up on page 1 for, and this keyword, and then this is how we're going to find out where exactly he's generating all of this monthly revenue from. So let's go find Love to Dream. Let me just control F, Love to Dream. So here we go. Here is our best seller, #1 bestseller for swaddle blanket, right? And we're going to grab this ASIN, right after where it says detailed product. We're gonna copy our ASIN and we're gonna go to viral launch, right? We're gonna come down to where it says competitor intelligence. We're going to track new product. We're going to copy the ASIN here, track product. And we're going to change the filter a little bit here on our viral launch tool because I want it to be, I want it to show me the most important keywords, right? I want it to show me which keywords, what keywords are generating this seller all of their revenue, right? Or most of it, right? Which are the most important keywords that I should be focusing on to target with Amazon PPC. So we're gonna go to where it says here, we're gonna delete these filters up here and we're gonna create new filters. I want it to show me keywords with a volume estimate that are greater or equal to than 3,000, right? And I want it to show me keywords that he is ranking less or equal than 20, right? So if he's in the 20th or better position on Amazon. So we'll see that he's organically ranking #1 on swaddle blanket for 51,000, right? He's ranking #5 on Sleep Sack that has 44,000 searches a month, right? He's ranking #1 on Swaddle, right? He's ranking #3 on Swaddle Me. Second on Baby Sleep Sack, and this keyword has 17,000 searches a month, right? So all these keywords right here are the ones, at least the ones with the most, like the top 5 are the ones that I want to target, so I can show up on the page 1 results for. Now, these keywords have a lot of volume, so I'm guessing the PPC is going to be expensive. So this could be a very competitive niche, right? But we're just focusing on the strategy. Obviously, if you follow my videos, right, I show you exactly what things to look for on the market, right, and see if this market is probably too competitive. Which I did see a couple of sellers in this market with like 400 reviews, 500 reviews. So I wouldn't necessarily recommend selling sweater blankets, but just for the sake of the example, I am just walking through the process of what would I do in order to how would I find the right keywords to target to so I can run my PPC, and which keywords to rank on page 1 for, or which keywords to focus on to rank on page 1 for, in order to start generating some good revenue, right? So we're gonna go to, obviously we want to target sweater blanket, right? This is the most important keyword. So we're gonna go to our campaign manager right here. We're gonna go continue, and what we're going to do is we're going to create one campaign per keyword, right? So each keyword has its own budget spent, right? So it's not sharing with a bunch of different keywords, right? So we're gonna go to exact. This is how I like to name my keywords, my campaign, sorry, exact, and we're gonna go swaddle blanket. We're gonna do a daily budget of 50. We're gonna do a manual targeting. We're gonna just copy this. Group name, and say for example here, this is where your sweater blanket would have been, so we're just gonna add that just for the sake of the example. And right here we're gonna go to dynamic bids. We're gonna go to up and down, right? Why is this? You're telling Amazon, you're giving Amazon permission to bid higher for you, just in case another seller wants to outbid you. Amazon will increase the bid for you, so you show up. Let's go back to the swaddle blanket search results. So every time somebody searches swaddle blanket, right, your product pops up right here on this sponsored top section, right? Now, the most important part of ranking with PPC is you must have a superior product, right? A better design, better quality, something that stands out to the eye, so that when people see your sponsored listing, they buy your product instead of the best sellers right here, right? So now every time someone buys your product, right, Amazon is going to increase your organic ranking, right? And what I've seen, within 5 days of running sponsored and people buying my product from my sponsored ad, I reached page 1, right? The number 5th position, number 4th position within 5 days. But it needs to match the sales velocity of the best sellers here, right? So this is what I mean. Your product needs to be superior, right? Maybe a way better design, something that every time somebody searches sweater blanket and they see your product, they choose yours from the competition. And if this happens for 5 days, then Amazon will put you on the page 1. They'll put you on page 1 organically, right? So let's go back to our campaign manager, right? Remember, we did dynamic bids up and down. So you're telling Amazon to increase your bid for you. So every time somebody searches sweater blanket, your product shows up right here, right? This is very important. Now you're going to lose some money, right? For those first 5-6 days, you're going to be spending $50 a day on clicks, you're right. But remember, you will make your money back once your product is in page 1 organically, right? And then once your product is in page 1 organically, then you can lower your bid, right, to where it's more profitable, right? And I can show you guys how to optimize your PPCs, right? How to have profitable PPC campaigns, so you're not overspending on PPC. But in the very beginning, in order to rank on page 1, you must run an unprofitable PPC campaign so you can get to page 1 quick. We're gonna do keyword targeting. we're gonna enter keywords, we're gonna go exact, and then we're gonna type in our keyword. Swaddle blanket, right? We're gonna add the keyword. And right here, very important, right? You always want to go with the highest. So we're going to do 1.45. And that's it. And we're going to launch campaign. Boom. And we're going to do the same thing for the next keyword. We're going to go. We're going to create another campaign. We're going to, right? Remember, one campaign per keyword, right? So after you launch your campaign, then you're going to go create another campaign. You're going to do exact. And you're going to do exact sleep sack. And then you're going to do another exact. Remember, it's an exact match campaign, right? Remember I saw here, I did a match type, you gotta put exact, right? It's not broad and it's not phrase, it's an exact match. And then you're gonna do the same thing for sleep sack, swaddle me, baby sleep sack. I always like to do the top 5. And just focus on ranking on page 1 for these keywords, and once you're there, you're going to see your sales start to go up, all right, and you're going to see some definitely dramatic change on your sales and on your business. All right, guys, I hope this helped. If you have any questions, again, just drop them in the comments below, and thank you again for watching. Again, I just opened up some spots for my FBA one-on-one coaching program. If you are interested in joining, I'm leaving a link on my description. It's an application because I only like to take in a few people at the time, and I want to make sure that my program is a good fit for you and that you are a good fit for my program. So there's an application on the description of this video. After you finish the application, then you will be prompted to a page where you can schedule a call with me, and after we get on the call, then we can get started on helping you kill it on Amazon. All right, again, guys, thank you again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next.